Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I'll be explaining how to do a factory reset on an MTN Smart M561M3 KaiOS feature phone. Now, a factory reset comes in handy in a case where you've forgotten your PIN or you're having problems with the device, like maybe low storage or it's crashing or hanging. Any issue with the device, a factory reset will really come in handy. Now, it's very easy to do a factory reset. First of all, you need to power off the device. You can do that by simply holding the cancel button, or you just take out and reset the battery. Now, once powered off, there are two buttons you hold. First is the right arrow button, and next is the cancel button. The right arrow and the cancel. Now you hold both of them together. Now once it shows a light, you release the cancel, but you can keep holding the right arrow. Now once you see this triangle, you release the right arrow button, and then you come down and tap 8, the 8 key. Now you are in recovery mode. So from this point, you can just scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Alright, so from this menu, you just use the arrow down button to go down, and you use the arrow up button to scroll up. So you can just come under wipe data / factory reset, and you select the center button. Now you have a series of no's, but you just scroll down to yes, and then you select that with the center button, and that is going to wipe the device. Now once that is done, you can just highlight on reboot and you click that.